If you're treating SEO and GEO as two separate projects, you're doing double the work for half the results. The most effective approach unifies them into a single content strategy, and in this lesson, we'll walk through exactly how to do that. The unified framework has three layers. First, the foundation layer, which is the technical SEO that enables both search discovery and AI access. Second, the content layer, where you create content that ranks in Google and gets cited by AI systems at the same time. And third, the authority layer, where you build credibility that both search engines and AI models recognize. Every piece of content you publish should serve all three layers. Let's examine each one, starting with the technical foundation. The foundation layer starts with site architecture that helps both channels. That means a clear URL structure showing content hierarchy, logical navigation, fast loading speeds, mobile responsive design, and HTTPS. GEO adds a few extra requirements on top. Structured data markup using schema.org, clean HTML that's easy to parse, content that isn't hidden behind JavaScript that blocks crawlers, and XML sitemaps for comprehensive indexing. Then there's crawlability. Your robots.txt file controls which crawlers can access your site, and some sites actively block AI crawlers like GPT-bot, Anthropic AI, and Perplexity-bot. If you want GEO visibility, you need to allow them in, so check whether your current setup aligns with your goals. Finally, add structured data like article schema with the author's name, job title, publish date, and modified date, so both search engines and AI understand exactly what your content is. Now, the content layer, where you write once for both channels. The hybrid structure works like this. Your H1 targets your SEO keyword. Then the opening paragraph gives a direct answer, which is what makes it citable for GEO. Each H2 subtopic gets a comprehensive explanation for SEO depth, followed by a bolded key takeaway with a specific, citable fact for GEO. Take a post on the best CRM software for small businesses. It opens by directly naming HubSpot free CRM for teams under 5 or Zoho CRM at $14 per user per month for teams needing customization. Then it weaves in citable facts, like a Nucleus research study showing small businesses using CRM software see an average 29% increase in sales. Comprehensive coverage gives you SEO value, while specific facts, direct answers, and extractable quotes give you GEO value. Certain content types naturally serve both channels, so build your strategy around them. Definitive guides rank for broad topics and contain many citable facts. How-to articles capture how-to queries and provide step-by-step answers AI can relay. Original research attracts backlinks for SEO and offers unique citable data that nobody else has, which makes it especially valuable for GEO. Comparison posts rank for A versus B queries and give AI specific recommendations to quote. FAQ pages target question keywords and directly answer the common questions people ask AI assistants. And glossaries rank for definition queries while providing the clear definitions AI systems love to cite. Notice the pattern here. Every one of these formats pairs comprehensive coverage with extractable, specific answers. That's the dual-purpose sweet spot. The third layer is authority, and it feeds both channels too. Start with author authority. Display the author's name on all content, along with professional credentials like titles and certifications, relevant experience, and links to their other authoritative work. For example, a byline like Jane Smith, CRM consultant, 15+ years in CRM implementation, former Salesforce partner with an MBA from Northwestern Kellogg, tells both Google and AI systems this content comes from a real expert. Next, source citations. Link to authoritative sources, cite specific studies and research, reference industry reports, and credit the experts you quote. And finally, consistency and track record, which you build over time. Publish regularly on your topics, update existing content, maintain accuracy, and correct errors publicly when they happen. Credibility compounds across both search engines and AI. To keep everything unified, run your content calendar through 3 sets of questions for every piece. SEO questions. What keywords are we targeting? What's the search volume and competition? And how does this fit our topic cluster? GEO questions. What specific facts can AI cite from this? Are the claims verifiable and accurate? And does it establish our authority? Then unified questions. Does the structure serve both purposes? Are author credentials visible? And is it technically accessible? Measurement works the same way. Track traditional SEO metrics like organic traffic, keyword rankings, backlinks, and page authority, alongside emerging GEO metrics like AI citation tracking where possible, brand mentions in AI responses, referral traffic from AI platforms, and citation accuracy. Ideally, combine them in one dashboard, so for each page you can see its search rank, monthly traffic, how many AI citations you've found, and whether those citations are accurate. Before we wrap up, avoid 4 common mistakes. Optimizing only for SEO, because content that ranks but has no citable facts won't get AI citations. Optimizing only for GEO, because citable content with poor SEO won't be discovered by RAG systems. Creating separate content strategies, which doubles the work without doubling results. And ignoring the technical foundation, because the best content fails if crawlers and AI systems can't access it. So here's your recap. Unify around foundation, content, and authority layers. Write dual-purpose content. Build credibility for both channels and measure both. Want to put this into practice right now? Head to this lessons page on FreeAcademy.ai and try the interactive prompt playground, or paste a question from your own niche into ChatGPT or Claude and see which sources get cited. Next module, we dive into EEAT signals and building authority AI systems recognize.